Hi, today we'll be working on lesson 5 for first graders. Alright, so to start off, it will just be about subtracting with pictures, or like writing a number sentence with pictures. So, first thing we gotta do is count the total number of bears in the picture. So, like for number 1, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we write 7 bears because there were 7 bears in the picture. But then if you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that look like they're running away. So, we have to subtract 5. So, if you subtract 5, there's 1, 2 bears remaining. So, same thing for number 2. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 bears, and this time it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bears running away, which means there will be 1, 2, 3 bears remaining. Okay, we'll try number 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 bears, and if you look, there's no bears that are running away. So in this case, it's just 7 minus 0, and 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay, we'll do number 7 as well. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bears this time, and only 1 is remaining. So that means 7 ran away, and there's 1 remaining. Okay, the next one is find the sums and differences. Use the number line if you need help. So this is just adding and subtracting. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And if you wanted to use a number line, then you would do this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's a 4 right here. And then from this 4, you add 3. 1, 2, 3. And when you add 3, you land at the 7. So that's why the answer is 7. Okay, for number 2, 6 plus 2. So you start at the 6 and you add 2. 1, 2, and then you end up at the 8. So that's how you use a number line. And then number 3. If you want to subtract, you start off at the bigger number, so 8. So we start at 8 and we subtract 4. That means we go left by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end up at 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, number 7, 2 plus 5. So we have 2. If you add 5, then it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. And then 8. 7 plus 1. So 7 and then 8. So yeah. And number 9 is 8 minus 2. So we take away 2 from 8. It's 7, 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, it's just the same thing, except it's written like vertically. So number 10, 6 plus 2 is 8. 11. 7 minus 2 is 5. 12. 7 plus 0 is 7. 13. 8 minus 2 is 6. 14. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, and then we'll do a few more. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then 8 or 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, the next one is addition word problems. So we have to count, or like we can use the word problems to add the number of baseballs. So Dylan saw 4 baseballs. So we write 4 here. And then Kirk saw 2 baseballs. So it's 4 plus 2. And then how many baseballs did they see in all? So we add these two. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Number 3. Mindy saw 3 bats. And then she saw 3 more bats. So what is the total number of bats she saw? So we add 3 plus 3, and that's how you get 6. Okay, number 4. Carol saw 2 pendants, so we write 2. And Alexis saw 4. So if we try to see how much they saw in all, we have to add it. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 in total. Okay, again, it's just more word problems. So it says Jack saw 8 frogs. So we write 8 right here. And Brian saw 4 alligators. And then the question asks how many frogs and alligators did they see all together? So 8 frogs plus 4 alligators. That is 12 frogs and alligators in total. Okay, so it says number 2, 6 frogs are singing. So we write 6, and then 2 more frogs join. So we have to add 2. How many singing frogs were there altogether? So we do 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, number 3. There were 7 happy alligators. So 7 happy, and then there are 3 sad alligators. And the question asks, what was the total number of alligators? So we just have to count the number of alligators in total. So there's 7 happy ones and 3 sad ones. So if we add 7 plus 3, that is 10 alligators in total. Okay, so number 4, Jackie saw 9 frogs sitting on the lily pads. So there's 9 frogs sitting on lily pads, and Sandy saw 4 frogs swimming. How many frogs do they see in all? So there's 9 sitting on lily pads, 4 swimming. So if you add 9 plus 4, the answer is equal to 13. So they saw